In this video, we guide you through the process of unsuspending your Facebook account with simple, easy-to-follow steps. Whether your account was suspended due to a misunderstanding, a security issue, or any other reason, this tutorial will help you regain access quickly. We'll cover everything from submitting an appeal to Facebook, providing necessary identification, and tips to avoid future suspensions. Don't miss out on reclaiming your account. 1. Open your Facebook account and click on the Appeal section. You will be directed to a new page with information regarding your suspended account. Click again on the section labeled Appeal. 2. Confirm that you are not a robot. On this page, you will be asked to verify that you are not a robot by accurately entering the words displayed in the image. 3. Click Confirm. After correctly entering the words, you will be taken to another page that will require you to record a video of yourself. 4. Record a video of yourself. To ensure you are a real person, Facebook will ask you to record a video selfie. You will be asked to move your head during the recording so that they can capture your face from different angles. Click Record Video to start the recording. 5. Follow the instructions to complete the video. To successfully complete the video and be verified, follow the instructions provided. Tilt your head to the right, then bring it back to the center. Tilt your head to the left, then bring it back to the center. Look down, then look up. Make sure your face is clearly visible. 6. Submit your video selfie for review. Click Submit to send your video for review. 7. Finish and wait for identity confirmation. You will be taken to a page confirming that you have successfully submitted your appeal. Now, you need to wait for a response from Facebook. You should receive an answer within 48 hours, although it could be sooner.